to the ABC Underwater Adventure. Dive in with us as we explore the ocean and meet amazing sea creatures for every letter of the alphabet.
Yeah, it says A
is for angelfish. Angelfish. B says B. B is for blue whale. Bluewhale. C says C. C is for crab. Crab. Beast. D says D. D is for dolphin. Dolphine. E says E. E is for eel. Eeln. F says F. F is for fish. D says D. D is for green turtle. Dreenturtle. H says H. H is for horsefish. Seahorse. Sorsish. I says I. I's for ice squid. Iceesquid. J says J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish. K says K. K is for king crab. Kingcrabl. L says L. L is for lanternfish. Lanternfish. Mem. M says M. M is for manta ray. Mantaray. N says N. N is for nautilus. Nautilus. O says O. O is for octopus. Octopus. P says P. P is for pufferfish. Puffers. Ace. Q. Q says Q. Q is for quail clam. Quahogclar. R says R. R is for rainbow fish. Rainbowfish. S says S. S is for shark. Hark. T says T. T is for turtle. Turtle. U says U. U is for unicorn fish. Unicornfish. V says V. V is for yellow tang. Vampires. Says W. W for wagong shark. Wobbetongs. X. X says X. X is for x-ray fish. Xrayfish. Y says Y. Y is for yellow tang. Yellowwtang. Z is for zebra shark. Zebrashark. Narrator, cheerful explorers, keep practicing your letters every day. And we'll see you next time on another fun learning adventure.